What is underwater domain awareness? In simple terms, it is the desire to know what's happening beneath the surface of the ocean. With this mission, Maritime Research Center has developed a UDA framework to ensure pooling of resources and synergizing of efforts across stakeholders.
The underwater domain awareness framework addresses the requirements of 4 stakeholders. The first would be the maritime security, where we look at both internal and external security. And the second is the blue economy, where we look at the requirements of various stakeholders within that, like shipping, fisheries, deep sea mining, and many other possible stakeholders. The third would be environment and disaster management. As we are increasingly seeing a lot of activities in the maritime domain, there is a significant sustainability concern which requires to be addressed. And we are also seeing huge amount of natural disasters originating from the sea. So what is our preparedness to deal with such challenges? And the fourth, but I would call it the most important stakeholder, is science and technology. How do we bring in more and more science and technology and map it onto the traditional knowledge is also a very, very critical area which requires attention. So the UDA framework that we are progressing tries to seamlessly manage all these 4 stakeholders so that we are able to promote a safe, secure, sustainable growth for all in the region.
Let us understand the UDA framework in its horizontal and vertical construct. The horizontal construct looks at resource availability in terms of technology, infrastructure, and capacity. The vertical construct forms the hierarchy of establishing a comprehensive UDA. Level 1 is to see, Level 2 is to understand, and Level 3 is to strategize. Level 1 looks at sensing of the undersea domain for threats, resources, and activities. Level 2 looks at analyzing the data generated to plan security strategies, conservation, and resource utilization. Level 3 looks at formulating regulatory frameworks at the local, national, and global level. The individual cubes represent specific aspects that need to be addressed. At the core of this UDA framework is acoustic capacity and capability building to improve governance. The UDA framework proposed by Maritime Research Center minimizes fragmented approach across stakeholders. 21st century India is emerging as a maritime nation. Huge opportunities lie ahead in the Indian Ocean region. The Underwater Domain Awareness Framework will lead the path to the future. MRC is dedicated to the mission of underwater domain awareness.
Oceans had an important place in Indian thinking since pre-Vedic times. In ancient Puranas, written thousands of years ago, the geographical definition of India is with reference to the seas. The Indian Ocean has shaped much of India's history. It now holds the key to our future. The ocean carries 90% of India's trade and our energy sources. It is also the lifeline of global commerce. Our interests in the region are vast and our engagements is deep. In the Indian Ocean region, our relationships are becoming stronger. We are also helping build economic capabilities and improve maritime security for our friends and partners. I describe our vision in one word, Sagar, which means ocean in Hindi. And Sagar stands for security and growth for all in the region. And that is the creed we follow to our east.